Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rayhan and today I want to show you how to crochet very beautiful bag. You never that see it. It's very useful. You can put your mobile phone, your cards, your credit card, your everything into this bag. So let's go to see how to crochet this. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. For this tutorial, I used this kind of yarn. You can use cotton yarn. And the size of hook is 30 millimeter. And we need a pair of scissors and a needle to hide the extra yarn. So let's go to see how to crochet this bag. For first step, I'm going to make a slip knot like this. Then we need 16 chain. Now I have 16 of this chain. Then I'm going to make 3 chain extra, and then now I have 19 chain. Then I skip this chain and here into the next stitch make single crochet, again in the same hole single crochet. So in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet. Then in the next stitch here put your hook and make just 1 single crochet. Then again in the next stitch make just 1 single crochet until you arrive in the first chain. Now I arrive here in the first chain, and then again I'm going to make just 1 single crochet, and then again into this hole we need 3 of single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. So in the first chain we need 4 single crochet. Then again in the next stitch here we need just 1 single crochet. Again in the next here we need just 1 single crochet until we arrive in the end of this part. Now I arrive here in the last stitch. Before I put 2 single crochet here, and now again I put 2 single crochet. So in this part we have 4 single crochet, and in this part we have 4, but in the next stitch we need just 1 single crochet. Then I put my hook here in the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Then I make just 1 chain, and in the next stitch here we need 2 single crochet. Then in the next stitch again we need 2 single crochet, and now in each stitch we need just 1 single crochet until we arrive here. Here we have 4 single crochet in the same hole. Now I arrive here in this 4 single crochet. In this part, in each 4 of this single crochet we need 2 single crochets. So 1, 2 here, then in the next stitch 1 and 2, in the next stitch 1 and 2 single crochet, and in the last stitch of this part 1 and 2 single crochet. Then in the next stitch we need just 1 single crochet as I see just one single crochet until again we arrive here in the last stitch. Now I arrive in the last of these two stitch. So again in this the last of these two stitch we need 2 single crochet in each hole. Again here we need just 2 single crochet. So in this part we have 8, and in this part we have 8 of these single crochet. Then I make a slip stitch and I have this shape. Then I count 3 of this stitch and a slip stitch of this. So 1, 2 and 3, and now I arrive in 4 chain or stitch, and here I'm going to make just 1 single crochet. Then I skip these 3 stitch, and here in the 4 stitch 1 2 3 4 here make double crochet. In this hole we need 9 of these double crochet, so 9 double crochet into this hole. Now I have 9 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then I skip this 3 chain, 1 2 3, and in 4th stitch make just 1 single crochet. Again in the 4 stitch 1 2 3 4 here make 9 double crochet. So this stitch is shell stitch, and you must make it a round of this part. Now I finish this round and I have this shape. Then I make slip stitch in above of this single crochet, the first single crochet, and then again here we need 4 chain, and then 1 double crochet into this hole, and now we have this shape. This look like V. Okay, then we need 5 chain and put the hook here into this hole and make 1 double crochet exactly in above of this single crochet. Then make just 1 chain and again 1 double crochet. Now again we have this V shape and this part. Again 5 chain and in above of this single crochet here I'm going to make just 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet. So you must continue until again you arrive here. I finish this round and I arrive here and I make 5 chain. Then in the 3rd chain 1 2 3 make a slip stitch. Then again make a slip stitch until you arrive here into this V shape. Now we need 3 chain and 8 double crochet into this hole exactly in this V shape. We need 8 double crochet. With this chain we have 9 of this stitch. I finished this stitch and then in 5 stitch, in the 5 stitch 1 2 3 4 5 exactly in above of this shell stitch put your hook and put this chain above of this hook like this, and make single crochet. Again, put your hook here into this V shape and make 9 double crochet. Now I have 9 double crochet. Then again, put the hook in the 5 stitch, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and this chain together and make again just 1 single crochet. Now I have this shape, and you must continue as this until again you arrive here. Now I finished this round, as you can see, and I put the hook here into the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch. Then make a slip stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, then 9, and now I arrive here in this part, and here again we need 4 chain, and again here 1 double crochet, and now again we have V shape, and again 5 chain, and put the hook here in above of this single crochet and make another V shape. So 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet. So you must continue as this again. Again, I finish this round and make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and like before, make again a slip stitch until I arrive here into this V shape. Make 3 chain and 8 double crochet until I have shell stitch, and then again I count 1 2 3 4 5 here with these 2 together, make single crochet like before. You must continue as this like before. Now I finish this. As you can see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 of this round. Then I make a slip stitch until I arrive here. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I have 3 stitch here, then 1 single crochet and 3 stitch here. So in this stitch I'm going to make just 1 single crochet. Then here in the next stitch I'm going to make half double crochet. Then in the next stitch I'm going to make double crochet, and in above of this single crochet I'm going to make triple crochet. Again in the next stitch I'm going to make double crochet. In the next stitch half double crochet, and in the next stitch just 1 single crochet. Now I have this shape. Now I'm going to make just 1 chain, and then in above of this part I'm going to make just half double crochet, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need one more, so this is 6. I have this shape, then again just one chain and repeat this half double crochet here until you have the shape for this part. When you finish this part, put it here, and if you think it's enough for your crochet bag, then make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then make a slip stitch here for the bottom. Make just one chain and then cut the yarn. Now I saw the button here, and then you can put it like this. Now for bag strap, again use the yarn, and here we have 2 corners. Here put the hook 1, 2, 3, 4 exactly here, and make just one chain, again chain, then put your hook here above of this part and make half double crochet, and again put your hook here in the next stitch and make another half double crochet, then one chain, and again repeat 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3 above of this part, so you must continue as this bag strap until you think it is enough. For example, 1 meter or 2 meters or 1.5 meter, I don't know, but you must continue until you think it is enough, and then attach it here. Now I finished this bag strap, as you can see, and I fix it here. So this is finished. I really love this crochet book, and I really love this color of yarn. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, put your question in comment part, and please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.